Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video about a trend reversal indicator that I wanted to share with everybody. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer that you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So a couple of days back, I had discussed an indicator with you called parabolic SAR. And I told you that it's an indicator that gives you a sign of trend reversal. And I'd also mentioned that I'll make another video on another indicator as well that gives a sign of trend reversal. So this is the second indicator. It's called the radius trend. This is the exact name. A radius trend by Chart Prime. I'll leave the name of the indicator and the author in the comment section and pin it. Here it is. You can read a little bit if you want. All right. So just go ahead and read if you want what it basically is saying. It's very simple actually. Just by looking at the screen, you can tell what it's doing. So I'll explain to you how I use it. So apart from radius trend, which I have not changed anywhere by the way, and I'll show that to you. When I go to the settings, if I do reset settings, nothing will change on the screen because I am using it on its default setting. All right. This is how the screen will look with default radius trend. That's it. No bottom indicator, nothing. So we are only using, I'm on the Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame, Bank Nifty futures chart, not spot, futures chart. This is how that same indicator would look without any other indicator. All right. Now, if you look at this from the starting of the day, Bank Nifty, here is the start of the day. Bank Nifty was telling that the radius trend was indicating that Bank Nifty today is negative. Few people had asked me, not a few, one of our members, actually not a subscriber only, he's also a member with us. I think he had asked, or somebody else had asked, I don't know who had asked. No, Manu had not asked, somebody else had asked. I think Vijay or somebody had asked, what is the right time to short? So I had mentioned, like, basically it's 54400 on the futures chart that needs to break. If that breaks and it starts sustaining below that, then one should look at shorting the Bank Nifty. Now, if I just use one of my indicators over here, that is SRV2. I've discussed this with members and everybody, not only members, everybody on the channel knows that I like using SRV2. You see, it's pretty much telling me that I need to short somewhere over here. 544, no, here I had told 400, right? So that would be this point. This is the point I had told, that if this breaks, then you need to short exactly where my mouse is. And from there, the futures chart fell about 260 or 270 points. How was I so confident? Look at the screen. I mean, it's telling you that Bank Nifty is negative, and the members, especially who have gone through my video about the J-line series, they specifically know I keep telling you only go long or short if the J-line is giving you a confirmation. If you just stick to that theory, you'll make a lot of money. You don't have to trade every day. Just sit and watch the screen. Once the J-line confirms that yes, you need to go long or short, only then get into the trade. But anyways, guys, so as I was mentioning, this radius trend indicator is very simple. By just the looks of what you can see on the screen, you can clearly see that it indicates when the trend has reversed. In our case today, it was Bank Nifty. I'll go through the futures chart of everything. So see, Nifty, it opened with an uptrend. Mid cap is still in an uptrend. Fin Nifty follows Bank Nifty, but it later on changed to somewhere over here. The radius trend started stating that it's becoming negative, but Bank Nifty was kind of negative from the start. Here again, the screen has changed. I don't know why. Anyways, oh, it's got to do with this. I know why. Yeah. So from the start itself, it shows that it was negative. It's a futures. So it was, I think, in September futures. Yeah, October futures is what I was seeing. So when you look at that, it looks like this. Simple. Nifty This is October or not, I can't make out. Anyways, Bank Nifty, I need to change from September to October, and it shows like this. So not much explanation needed. Let's look at the spot chart also. Spot chart is telling you the same thing, that from the start it's negative. Fin Nifty converts negative at about 11:30. Nifty opens with a positive streak. It also becomes negative at about 11 o'clock. Mid cap is still positive. It's not even showing any sign of negativity. Maybe in coming Monday onwards, it may. I think now that I personally think that Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty will probably take a backseat now, and Nifty and mid cap may start rallying again, which was the scene about 15 days back. In any case, guys, this is the indicator. Use it in its default settings. I do have to keep changing. Anyways, use it in its default settings. Now, if I want to reconfirm this, I can also use it with parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR will go ahead and give you more detailed view about, within that downtrend, when are the times to take the short. But if I was you, then I would not use parabolic SAR. I would probably use my EMA 34 on the 5 minutes time frame. As you very well know, EMA 34 is equal to CM EMA trend bars, which is a fantastic setting. EMA 34 works beautifully on a 5-minute chart. Remember that. In fact, I'm so impressed by EMA 34 on a 5-minute chart that I have saved my EMA as default 34. All right. So when I use EMA, by default, it comes at 34. You see, it indicates over here itself that it has gone below the EMA 34. From here itself, Bank Nifty is negative. Here is just a double confirmation of it becoming negative. The negativity starts from the start. Radius trend first catches it. EMA 34 second catches it. And SRV2 gives you the final confirmation over here that here the trend has shifted. Short, 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 short. So triple confirmation. Radius trend first. EMA 34 second. SRV2 third. All three of them indicating that BN needs to be shorted. And if you have gone through my video called RSI plus MACD or MACD plus RSI, which I suggest everybody on my channel should go through, it is the golden setting which came out of my head. It just works. It's actually, I mean, there are few people who watch my videos internationally also. Even they have mentioned that this really works. All right. So you see over here, EMA, our EMA also has confirmed here itself. I've told you green should go below the purple. Yes, it goes, and it's breaking the lower supports line, and boom, it goes down from here. So all these indicated that today Bank Nifty was going to go down. Now radius trend can also be used on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 day, 1 week, and all of that. You can also probably use it on equity, but I don't. As you guys know, for a long time now, I have been trying to specialize in 5 minutes time frame in FNO, because I've done a little bit of trading in equity, buying, holding, and selling. I have almost never lost money in swing trading, in positional trading. I've always usually made money. It's only my losses have always been in FNO. That's why I took up FNO as a challenge. Then once I traded in FNO, I tried all time frames from 1 minute to 15 minutes to 45 minutes, everything. And now I've settled down on 5 minutes. All right. So you can see over here when I look at VIP industries, and if I look at the daily chart or maybe the weekly chart, whatever, I'm just trying to tell you that there can be other uses of something like a radius trend. Here it's telling you Tata Motors was in an uptrend. Daily chart, weekly chart, it's still in an uptrend, right? So stuff like that. You can probably use radius trend to analyze trends of stocks also. MRF, see, big long uptrend which started over here somewhere in 1st of August 2022, and it went on an uptrend till about here, that is April 2024. For 2 years continuously, MRF has been on an uptrend where the price has gone from 75,000, it went to a top of 150,000, which is double. All right, so on and so forth, guys. So see, DLF is constantly on an uptrend. I'm on a weekly chart, by the way, not daily. It's it's on an uptrend from here, from the 14th of November 2022, and it's still in an uptrend, currently sitting at 914. So what is the price? It's almost tripling from year to year. The peak was about here, 645. Yeah, almost 200%, not exactly 200%, but what I'm trying to say is it works in weekly time frame, monthly time frame, whatever you want to use it. I'm not using it for those things, but yes, if you're a person who wants to do positional and swing trading and you want to use radius trends, there's a possibility it'll work and give you a fair guidance. Then you'll probably need to apply more indicators, or do a little more fundamental analysis or whatever. But the radius trend can give you a head start when it comes to even analyzing stocks. All right, so we'll get back to our Bank Nifty October Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame. We will need to watch October futures, and this is how I would view it. I mean, on my chart, MACD plus RSI is up, and I actually split the screen. My screen would look like this. On the left hand side, I would have Fin Nifty. On the right hand side, I would have Bank Nifty. So this is how my screen would look. Here I need to again shift it to October. Okay, so yeah, my screen would have looked something like this. I would have seen Fin Nifty on the left, Bank Nifty on the right, and I would have had my MACD and RSI at the bottom. I would have had my SRV2. SRV2, people know my settings. I'm on length 5. Apart from that, no other changes. Whatever support and resistance colors you want, you can go ahead and use. The only main change that I do on SRV2 is, by default, it's on 10. I use 5. All right. What else I'm using? EMA 34, I've already told you, is nothing but a copy of CM EMA trend bars. Only difference is that changes color when the downtrend starts, and it can change the candle color also. Here, all of that things will not be available. It'll just show you the EMA 34. Apart from that, I'm not using anything else. So just radius trend, EMA 34, SRV2, RSI, and MACD at the bottom. If you don't have access to the paid version, and if you can use only 2 indicators, then I would suggest just use the radius trend, and with that either use the EMA 34 or at the bottom use RSI, basic RSI with 70, 30 and 50% line at the bottom. So use the 50% mark on the RSI as your guiding light, and just go long or short based on what SRV2 is telling. If I had to use it, I would use radius trend with EMA 34, because I've got a lot of confidence in this EMA 34. What best can go wrong? If it's telling me over here shorting has happened, if not here, then I would have shorted here somewhere I would have shorted. But EMA 34, I've got a lot of confidence in. All right. So guys, that's it. Radius trend, nothing much to discuss. The indicator is called radius trend. It's by Chart Prime. I'm using it on its default settings. Works on the 5 minutes time frame. Can be used even on equity for different kind of analysis. That's it. It's basically a trend reversal indicator that shows you when the trend has changed. All right. So thank you very much for watching. If you're a subscriber with us, consider becoming a member by clicking on the join button. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to our channel. Please give this video a like and a thumbs up. That motivates us to make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our Telegram channel as well. The link is given in the description in all our videos. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.